The star witness for prosecutors in Donald Trump's hush money trial took the stand today with testimony that could help shape the outcome of the first criminal case against an American president. Legal experts say Michael Cohen, who was the former president's former lawyer and personal fixer, could be the most important witness in the case. Fox News senior correspondent Eric Shawn is outside the Manhattan courthouse with more.
Michael Cohen taking the stand in Donald Trump's hush money trial on Monday. Wearing a dark-colored suit, white dress shirt, and light pink tie, Trump's former lawyer and personal fixer left his New York City apartment building looking straight ahead, ignoring questions shouted at him. Cohen is expected to testify about his role in arranging the $130,000 payment to adult film actress Stormy Daniels on behalf of Trump. The money allegedly used to prevent Daniels from going public about her sexual encounter with Trump ahead of the 2016 general election.
We paid a lawyer a legal expense, and we have a legal expense is a legal expense. It's marked down in the book, quote, legal expense. It's perfectly marked down. The other side doesn't know how to handle it, but they say, let's indict him anyway.
Fox News legal analyst Greg Jarrett predicts a tough cross-examination.
He'll be confronted with all of the lies, and he'll be asked the standard question, were you lying then or are you lying now?
Legal experts say Cohen's appearance signals the trial is entering its final stretch. Prosecutors say they may wrap up their presentation of evidence by the end of the week.
If they're depending on Cohen, who already has gone to jail, who has already admitted to lying countless times in terms of when he's on the witness stand, we're looking at either a hung jury or even an acquittal.
So far during this trial, no witness has tied Donald Trump directly into the charges against him. Prosecutors, though, are counting on Michael Cohen to do just that. At Manhattan Criminal Court, I'm Eric Shawn, Fox News.